everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I really hope my appearance is okay right now. I've been really tired today looking after Olivia, and I got a new palette through from Revolution, and I'm just desperate to get using it. I'm so excited for this. But I got it's called the Pooches palette, and I believe this is not new, like this has been out a while, but I just never got it. But I've been eyeing this for such a long time, and I was just like, you know what, I miss filming makeup, but I just don't want to do the normal stuff. And I looked back on my channel and I was looking at like my analytics, and my analytics were showing that I was getting so much more interaction and engagement when I was filming like my Makeup Revolution palettes, because I literally used to do this. That is how I started my channel. I used to do loads of Makeup Revolution reviews. So if you are here for a Makeup Revolution palette review, then make sure you subscribe if you love Revolution. So this palette is absolutely cute as hell. Look at her, she is so cute. Even the packaging's cute. So I had a bit of a mare with this. I've ordered 2 things from Revolution, and it said come in between 9:30 and 1:30. So obviously I'm by my door all day at home with my daughter, and I get an email saying your parcel was delivered, and I was like, no it wasn't. And I got really annoyed and upset, because I thought, have I just like got myself so excited today to actually be able to use this palette, and then I get told that it's been delivered and it's not. I hate it when they do that. And then I got a knock on the door, and I said to the postman, "Oi you, why do you put the things have been delivered when they haven't?" And he said, "I don't know why that happened, so it's just a mistake." But anyway, I am so excited for this palette. So I would love to, first of all, I just wanted to mention, I'm really sorry about this situation. I don't know what's going on, but I've had a huge flare up on my left hand. Ever since using sanitizer that my partner's brought home from work, I've had a massive flare up, and I generally don't know what's going on. But anyway, I'm using this really crazy cream. It's called like aqueous cream, and I don't know if it's even working, but I don't know if I've got eczema. I didn't think you could just develop eczema, but apparently you can. So I'm really sorry about that, because this is the hand that I would usually use to do swatches. So I'm sorry, but this hand is okay. It's a little bit bad, but it's definitely not as bad as that one. So I'm really sorry about that. Anyway, it's currently nearly 7 o'clock. Liam is home so he can look after Olivia. So I thought as soon as he gets home, I'm going to run upstairs and film this and then get a bath. I'm so excited. So this is the Pooches palette. You get 16 shades in here. And first impressions, overall, like literally first impressions, I think it's absolutely perfect. It's got a very wide variety of mattes and shimmers. The colours are really versatile. It looks like you can create some really nice looks, whether it's natural or more of like a grungy look, whatever you want. This looks really good, but let's test it. Let's put it to the test. So these are the shades that you get in here. In this palette, they are absolutely gorgeous. I love the variety of colours that you get, the shimmers and the mattes, like I said. So let's put her to a test. So I generally don't know what I'm gonna do. I've not planned this out. I've seen a few people. Where's my concealer? I have seen a few people do like 1 or 2 looks with this palette, and they're doing like really grungy looks. By the way, this makes a really great eye primer, the eraser, Maybelline eraser. Really good. So I don't know, I'm just gonna go with the flow. Oh, it's stinging. My finger's stinging now, my hands are stinging. Honestly, I've never had such a bad flare up ever like this. So I think I'm gonna go in with the colours. First of all, let me just say, I'm gonna swatch a few on my wrist, not my hand. But first of all, I just wanted to say how cute the fact that they name their shades. That's what I love about Makeup Revolution. They always name their shades, and I love that. Some of the colours here are just gorgeous. You've got Bon Appetit, Party, After Party, Celebrate, Transformation, Ferocious. So they're just so cute. I love that about Makeup Revolution. So the first colour that I am going to go in with is, I am going to go in with Go Mutts, which is this sort of nudie colour, and I'm just going to work her right in the crease. So I'm going to do one eye and then move on to the other one, like finish that off camera so you guys don't get bored. Okay, she blends nicely, very nicely actually. Definitely true to colour. Like, I feel like that colour looks very true to colour with that colour, so I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, so I think I am gonna go for, I don't even know what I'm doing. I think I want to go for maybe like a purpley look, pinky look maybe. I think I'm going to go in with the colour Transformation, which is this dark matte colour. Now, if you're looking for a very professional MUA, this is the wrong channel. I literally just love to test palettes out and love to test makeup out. I am going to be honest, I'm not great with dark colours. I find them quite difficult to blend. So I'm going to grab the colour Transformation and I'm going to pop it on the outer corner. Very pigmented. Wow. Oh my gosh. Oh golly gosh. By the way, look at that glow. Ooh. I'll show you what I used in a minute. See what I mean? It's so hard to blend that out. Do you know what? They blend really well, and they also blend really well together. Like, them two colours have blended well nicely together. So I'm pretty happy with that. I think what I'm going to do is the Celebrate, because I feel like, sorry, this silvery sort of colour, I feel like that's going to be very different to what I've got going on now, so it's going to be very bold. So what I like to do when it comes to little looks like this is literally with this magic eraser, I'm just going to pop it where I want to lighten the area. I genuinely cannot do cut creases very well. I always mess them up, so I'm just going to pop it like that. It doesn't matter if it's messy because you can always like blend it. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a flat brush and I'm going to pick up that colour Celebrate. Oh wow. Oh, I completely forgot to swatch some. So let me swatch the colour that I am going to be using on my lids, just so you can get a little bit of a better look. I'm going to swatch this beautiful green as well. Ooh, that is very like olive green. Hello. And then I'm going to swatch the pink, which is called Disco. Okay, so they are some of the colours. Look how good they are. They are so nice and so pigmented. I am really impressed with this palette so far. Like, I'm generally not going to lie, I feel like it's very impressive. But we shall see. On that part of my lid, whoa. On the part of my lid where I put that concealer. Oh wow, that is pretty. Don't worry, we're going to blend it all together. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. Okay, I'm going to take that brush that I used before and I'm going to go with that colour, you know, that nude colour at the beginning, the Go Mutts, and I'm just going to sweep it over the middle just to blend it in a bit. so they sort of seamlessly blend in. I think just to test it out, just to test the palette out and see how good it really is, I'm gonna go in with that colour again but on my finger and see if I can get it to be really, see, look, you get so much more pigment. I never understand that. You get so much more pigment when you do it with your finger. You know what? With the grey jumper vibes, with the grey jumper I've got on right now, I don't think it looks too bad. I don't think it looks too shabby, if I do say so myself. I genuinely don't. I think it's very, goes with this grey prison jumper vibe. I tell you what, this jumper is from Femilux. They gifted it to me during lockdown, well, the first lockdown, and I love it, but I literally look like a prisoner because I've got the joggers as well, so. But anyway, I want to put a splash of something under my eye, and I never do that, but I just feel like it needs it. It's just a little bit dull. So I think I am going to maybe do a bit of pink. Why not? Why not? Yeah, I'm gonna go under my line on my eye. Ooh. Oh my god, that pink is beautiful. She's beautiful. And then, lastly, ladies and gentlemen, I am gonna go in with, what does that say? Club. I'm gonna go in with the colour Club here, and I'm gonna pop her, and Dance Floor, sorry, a bit of Dance Floor, and I'm gonna pop that in the, whoa, look at that inner corner. That is well good. That is so good. So I think I am going to go and do the other eye, and I'll be back in a jiffy. Hi, I'm back. So I've done both eyes now. What do you guys think? I really like it. It's so bold. I generally wasn't expecting it to come out this bold. I think this palette has got to be one of my new favourites. I'm not even lying. Do you know what I love about it? I love the fact that I could literally go to this for an everyday look, because I could just do like either a little bit of the Go Mutts and some shimmer, something nude like pale, but then I can go full glam with this palette as well. Definitely let me know what you think. Let me know if you like it or not. I've got a few things to say about it. The first thing, I love the packaging. 10 out of 10. I love the fact it's got a mirror. 10 out of 10. I love the shades, and I also love the names of the shades. I think it's so cute, and it's just adorable. It's just one of them palettes that I think it's going to do very, very well because of how cute it is. People love dogs. Like, I love cats more, but people love dogs, you know? So I hope they bring a cat one out. I will be all for that. What I love about it as well is that the colours were very easy to blend, and nothing went patchy. Not even the dark colours that I put on the outer corner, nothing went patchy. So overall, guys, I'm very impressed with this palette. Make sure to follow my Instagram so you can see some photos that I'm going to put up, because I will be taking some very in-depth photos. And also follow me over there. I'm so close to 2,000. When we reach 2,000 over there, I'm going to be doing a massive giveaway, whether it's makeup or skincare. And then also I think I'll do makeup because you guys prefer makeup, it seems. And then on YouTube, when we hit 2K, I'll do something very, very similar as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what your thoughts were on this gorgeous, gorgeous palette. And let me know what you want to see from me next. I've got a very, very exciting video coming. I've just got to obviously film it at the weekend when I can. But it's the I Heart Revolution, and it's like a cherry gift set. It's in like a shape of a bauble. I don't even know if it's a bauble pudding or something. It's Christmassy, but it doesn't matter because to me, I'm just going to show you the products that are inside. but I can't wait for that. So let me know what you thought of this palette. Let me know if you've got it. Let me know if you're gonna go and get it. I'll put the price of this palette on the screen right now. I grabbed it when it was on sale, so if you want it, go and get it right now. I think it was £5, which is so good for this. It's really, really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what you think, and subscribe if you are new. It'd mean the world to me, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.